This is a special announcement for the upcoming JKPSC examination. As you know, examination time is here. UPSC has already started its mains examination, and I believe that in a time of a month or so, JKPSC will also be conducting its examination. Hence, all those who are aspiring to sit for this exam and come out with the flying colors, we recommend to go for the mock tests, which we will be conducting in a exam type environment to give you the real feel. The most important aspect is it will be consisting of the questions which we think are expected and are most important for the year. And don't miss this opportunity, because our Delhi teachers will be coming there and will be taking the discussion. Each discussion will be followed by one-to-one session with the senior mentors of SRIAS, who will sit with your paper and will highlight how your marks can be increased and will help you in solving your individual problem. We will also be providing you the prompt evaluation and the model answers. The dates are for GS and SA, it is 21st January. For general studies paper, the dates for SA paper is 21st January, GS paper 1 and 2 22nd January, GS paper 3 and 4 23rd January, and if you are looking for optional paper right now only for political science, you can come on 29th January. The timing, everything will be as per the environment, and I believe that this particular exercise can make a big difference in your overall marks. For our goal, we should not leave even a single stone unturned. So I believe you will take the maximum benefit of this particular exam, and this particular exam is definitely going to play a critical role in achievement of your dreams. Wishing you all the best. For details, you can visit our website or contact our regional center in Jammu. Thank you.